Good afternoon, my name is Lizeth Montserrat Avalos Aguirre. I'm going to present Evidence 1, the EFIT Present Workshop. The topic to present is strategy for successful presentation. The first point is the planning relationship. The planning in relationship and presentation is essential to assure everything's on currents. The points, elements, your occurrence, storage content, select to relevant content, logistical obstacles at the end, affecting user visual recurse, or practice and exposure times. Type of presentation. You are several type of presentation. Homework I will talk about 3 mains. Informative, OJT transmitting information in the clear and consistent main. Precise, convince to the public on the idea or point of the view, and demonstrate issue who and something works. Communication skill. You exist two skills to communications. You are verbal skills, you are oral presentations, your ability to speak and clear, frequently and precisely, activity to listen, ability to pay attention to what the other person is doing, and non-verbal skills. Your language, body language, the posture, the gesture, the facial expression, where you are you communicate. X contact, ability to look at the other person with X eye contact and listen, and tone voice, the volume, intentional, and the ring to the voice to use via communicate. Type of audience. Unaware. This address this had a private user used to represent. They are made not aware to existing to a problem or resolution via purposes. It is important to start the presentation to the basic information to they understand to a contact and you are build one audience indifference. This audience is our topic about do not have a particular interest or format to opinion about. They are made more configure or other users you are made precise to relevance of the topic were crucial to capture their attention for making and highlight an improvement and relevance of topic to a life or interest. Audience favorable. These audience are already addressed for a positive attitude are for topic to represent. They may interest, agree, even support when the proposal. From outset, you are hotted to a meaning to our interest and the reform their support through. Solid arguments, convincing evidence, and persuasive presentation. By understanding the audience type, you can tailor your presentation to meet particular needs. An attitude which will encourage your effective impact you are mentioned, include graphic elements, you understand you are the boss is utilities. It's very important you need those type of the audience. Personally, around the is the model, identified my skill to the work, two says interaction with audience, tight management, body language management, and English pronunciation. You know your area for improvement is important to the work on there and the better every day. You know analyze yourself is crucial for sales or career for plan strategic for career decisions for better for me and for formation. And finally, my abilities. My ability is good rented organizational skill to the planned presentation, ability to create visual attracted to easy understand content, and ability to the adapt to the mention according to the audience and their specific needs. This concludes my evidence. Thank you very much.